In the world of machining and manufacturing, precision is paramount. Accurate measurements are crucial for creating parts that fit perfectly and function flawlessly. Whether you're working on a car engine, a hydraulic system, or a delicate medical device, precise measurements are non-negotiable. This is where bore gauges come in. These invaluable tools allow machinists and engineers to determine the exact dimensions of holes, ensuring that every component aligns and operates as intended. Imagine a piston that's just slightly too big for its cylinder. The result: friction, inefficiency, and ultimately failure. Or consider a valve seat that's not machined to the correct diameter. This could lead to leaks, pressure loss, and compromised performance. Bore gauges help us avoid these pitfalls by providing the accuracy needed to create components that meet the most stringent tolerances. A bore gauge is a precision measuring instrument specifically designed to measure the internal diameter of holes, cylinders, or bores. Unlike calipers or micrometers, which measure external dimensions, bore gauges work from the inside out, providing accurate readings for internal dimensions. This makes them essential for a wide range of applications, from automotive and aerospace to manufacturing and hydraulics. Bore gauges typically consist of a beam or body that houses a sensitive measuring mechanism. This mechanism includes a contact point that expands within the bore and a dial or digital display that shows the measurement. By carefully inserting the bore gauge into the hole and adjusting the contact point, users can obtain precise readings of the internal diameter. There are several types of bore gauges available, each suited for different applications and levels of precision. Common types include two-point bore gauges. These are the most common type, using two contact points that expand diametrically opposite each other within the bore. They are versatile and suitable for a wide range of hole sizes. Three-point bore gauges. These gauges use three contact points, offering increased stability and accuracy, especially for larger bores or when measuring ovality. Dial bore gauges. These gauges feature a mechanical dial indicator to display the measurement, providing a clear and easy-to-read result. Digital bore gauges. These modern gauges use electronic sensors and digital displays to provide highly accurate and repeatable measurements. Using a bore gauge correctly is essential for obtaining accurate measurements. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you master this valuable tool. 1. Select the correct bore gauge. Choose a gauge with a measuring range that encompasses the diameter of the hole you need to measure. 1. Clean the bore and the gauge. Ensure both the bore and the gauge's contact points are free from dirt, debris or burrs that could affect the measurement. 1. Zero the bore gauge. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to zero or calibrate the gauge to ensure accurate readings. 1. Insert the gauge into the bore. Carefully insert the gauge into the hole, ensuring it's perpendicular to the bore's axis. 1. Adjust the contact point. Gently rock the gauge back and forth while slowly expanding the contact point until it makes firm contact with the bore walls. 6. Take the measurement. Read the measurement from the dial or digital display. For dial gauges, note the position of the needle on the scale. 7. Repeat the measurement. Take multiple measurements at different points along the bore's length and circumference to ensure consistency and accuracy. By following these steps and practicing proper techniques, you can confidently use a bore gauge to obtain precise measurements, ensuring the quality and functionality of your machined components. Remember, accurate measurements are the foundation of precision engineering.